You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the order of operations. The final result is -133. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. We begin by calculating the expression inside the parentheses. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 30 times 5 equals 150. Simplify exponents and square roots. 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 8 minus 150 equals -142. -142 plus 9 equals -133. And so the final result is -133.